In today's video, we stayed at our first Harvest Toast.
Yeah, and we got hammered.
Hey, I'm Terry.
I'm Randy.
This is Gracie.
And this is Woody.
And we are Chasing the Dream RV. Our first day at a Harvest Toast was at Samuel T. Bryant Distillery. They are located at 1331 Lower Brownsville Road in Jackson, Tennessee, about a half a mile off of I-40 at exit 74. They have space for 10 RVs and room for rigs up to 45 feet long. Our parking was on gravel and our spot was level. The distillery offers potable water if you need it, and they also allow you to run your generator at any given time of your stay. We found them to be super pet friendly and very accommodating. The distillery offers 25 products, moonshine, whiskey, and creams, all handcrafted on site at their family farm. We enjoyed the warm and inviting atmosphere of the tasting room and Pete's Southern hospitality charm during our tour. Pete is the father of the owner, Samuel. The first 4 samples are free, and then it's only $5 for 4 more. If you're interested in taking the tour, it's about 20 minutes and will cost you $10 a person. As Randy mentioned in our intro, we got hammered. We sampled quite a bit of the product, all of which were delicious, and ended up purchasing the strawberry and peach shines, snickertini, and birthday cake creams. Their prices were reasonable and plenty of flavors to choose from. We really enjoyed our stay here and found it to be extremely quiet and private. Mr. Pete was very helpful in directing us where to park, and we didn't have to unhook our tow vehicle, which was definitely a plus. They have a large circular driveway that will accommodate any size rig, making it easy to navigate. Harvest Host offers unlimited overnight stays through an annual membership program. There are 2 tiers, Harvest Host Classic, currently offered at $79 a year, and the Harvest Host Plus Golf, currently offered at $119 a year. The nationwide hosts include wineries, breweries, farms, museums, and golf courses if you selected that membership. For more information, I will include a link down below.
Anyway,
So my question is it always come out this and then you cut it down to make it the like birthday cake or the pumpkin spice or?
yes, you have to put it down. Because when it first starts, it's about 160, 170 proof. And then that's the way we store it, because it just takes a lot of sweet.
Sure.
When we need some, we take it out and cut it down to what proof we want it. And
With the different ingredients or whatever.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat.
Overall, we thoroughly enjoyed this stop. We had a good night's rest and we bought a lot of moonshine.
We would get Samuel T. Bryant's Distillery 5 stars and we'll definitely be back. If you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video.